So this is uChris Hani. Sanibonani. Ngiye ngizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. Abelungu namabhunu had a problem, and ukugudluza uChris Hani was the only solution. Shh. Ngo-1990 abelungu bese bebona ukuthi no, liyabashonela ilanga, uyaphela umbuso, i-apartheid ngathi sizophela. Sekumele bathole umuntu omnyama abazokwazi ukuthi bamcontrol, ngoba ngisho noma ngathiwa bayabanika lelizwe kodwa ngeke babanika ama-resources, and so bazama ukuthola umuntu omnyama ocontrolekayo. Manje inkinga iyodwa, kubantu abamnyama i-leader yabo ayifuni ukuzwa ngabo, i-leader yabo iyanqaba ukulalela into abayishoyo, and i-leader yabo was uChris Hani. uChris Hani was more than just i-leader ye-ANC. uChris Hani was i-leader yomkhonto wesizwe, which was like i-army for abantu abamnyama. Manje uChris Hani refused ukukhothamela isitha. Isitha sabona ukuthi no, uNelson Mandela usejele. And then umuntu osele oyi-leader uChris Hani, no, uChris Hani akafuni ukuzwa ngathi. So uChris Hani kumele simgudluze ukuze sikwazi ukubusa lelizwe leli. uChris Hani was a great leader. Wayekholelwa kumuntu omnyama and wayekholelwa ekutheni ukuthi sizophuma kwi-apartheid. Indlela yena wayecabanga ngayo, indlela owehlakaniphe ngayo, wayesebona beyond i-apartheid, wayesebona ekutheni ukuthi kumele sithuthuke. Wayefuna abantu abamnyama ba-own amabhizinisi, isitha sisuke ezweni lethu. Wayezomnika umuntu omnyama iland yakhe. uChris Hani was a great leader and isitha knew that. That's why behind the scenes isitha sasiweka hard ekutheni ukuthi simgudluze uChris Hani, ngoba sasazi ukuthi la khona uChris Hani kuyingozi, ngoba abantu abamnyama bayaqala bayahlakanipha. One such person we-example wengayifuni indaba yaChris Hani, it was uRichard Botha. And uRichard Botha at that time he was the richest person in Africa, because uRichard Botha wayene-wealth engangu-1.5 billion. uRichard Botha i-wealth yakhe wayakha phezu kwey'nyembezi zabantu abamnyama ababesebenza ey'mayini zakhe. Already isitha sasesazi ukuthi uChris Hani will be the first black president. Already isitha sasesazi ukuthi uChris Hani akulula ukuthi bamenze i-puppets. And so isitha sahlala phansi, saplana, sathi no, asiqashe nangu uSathane.